If your family keeps saying just video call me and the whole idea makes you a little nervous, this one is for you. By the end, you'll be able to see your kids' and grandkids' faces whenever you want, and it's far easier than it looks. Let me walk you through it slowly. First, the thing nobody tells you. You can't break anything. If you tap the wrong button, the call just ends and you call back. That's it. So let go of that worry right now, because it's the only thing really standing in your way. There are 3 common ways to make a video call, and you only need one. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you already have FaceTime built right in. If your family uses WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, those make free video calls too on any phone. The trick is simple. Use whatever the people you call already use. Ask them. They'll be glad you did. Let's do a FaceTime call since it's the most common. Open your contacts and find the person you want to see. Tap their name. You'll see a little video camera icon. Tap that. That's the whole thing. It rings, they answer, and there's their face. A few small things that make it nicer. Hold your phone up at eye level, not down in your lap so they see you, and not the ceiling. Sit with a window or a lamp in front of you, not behind you, so you're not a dark shadow, and there's a little button to flip the camera around so you can show them your garden or the dog or whatever you'd like them to see. If the call ever freezes or sounds choppy, it's almost always your internet, not you. Hang up, move closer to your Wi-Fi, and call back. Same as before. That's really all there is to it. A name, a camera button, and a face you've been missing. For me, that face would be my uncle, who lives thousands of miles away in Las Vegas. Now, being in Michigan doesn't seem so far away and out of touch. So, here's what I'd love you to do. Don't just watch this. Pick one person right now and call them. Surprise them. And if someone you know has been scared to try this, send them this video. That's what this channel is for. I'll see you next time.